Hello everyone, let's now move further. First you just have to trace down a circle. After that our main focus is towards the petals of this flower. This activity is very simple. Then at the center we are going to add some features like the eyes and a big smiley. This activity is very easy and the good. You can definitely go for this one. Best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Don't forget to add the leaves in the background. It looks perfect once you are done with it. Let's move further. Here we are going to show you how we can create this insect out of few easy simple steps. These circular lines are actually representing the wings of this insect. This activity is very easy. At the end you just have to guess which kind of the insect we have just traced down. Yes, your guess is somewhat near. Yes, it's just a mosquito. Let's move further. We are going to make these M-shaped curvy lines. Then again I'm going to extend these vertical lines as shown on your screens. Once you are done with making the lines, it's time to just decorate the inner areas that are going to represent the leafy area of this tree. This activity is a little bit time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. Let's move further. Here we are going to show you how we can make this sparrow or any other bird that's just sitting over this stalk of the tree. This activity is very simple and best suitable for the small kids. Thanks for watching our videos. Stay tuned.